Niacinamide for acne, aging, and redness. Does it really work? If you've ever looked at a skincare label and thought, why is niacinamide in literally everything? You're not imagining it. This one ingredient helps the skin barrier, redness, acne, dark spots, and signs of aging. And it also has a second life as an oral supplement that has been studied for skin cancer prevention in high-risk patients. And here's the key detail most people miss. Niacinamide is not the same thing as niacin. If you've ever taken vitamin B3 and turned bright red and itchy, we need to talk. It's not the same as niacinamide. Hi friend, welcome back. If we haven't met, I'm Beth, a dermatology PA with over 24 years of experience. Today, we're going to do a true deep dive into one ingredient. What niacinamide actually is, why it's so good for your skin, and why dermatologists love it, and why it's in so many products, and how the oral form called nicotinamide is used in skin cancer prevention. And stick around till the end because I'll tell you the exact oral dose used in the major studies, who it was studied in, and why the benefit stops when you stop taking it. Now, what is niacinamide actually? Niacinamide is also called nicotinamide. It's a form of vitamin B3, but it's not the same thing as niacin. Here's the difference. Niacin is also called nicotinic acid. It can cause flushing, heat, redness, and itching. Niacinamide or nicotinamide does not typically cause flushing and is the form used in skincare and in skin cancer research. Now, inside your cells, niacinamide helps make NAD and NADP. Think of these like the rechargeable batteries that power cellular repair, energy production, and recovery from stress. Your skin is constantly under stress. UV light, pollution, inflammation, and barrier damage. Niacinamide helps the skin keep the lights on. Now, why is niacinamide so good for your skin? Your skin barrier is like a brick wall. Your skin cells are the bricks, and the lipids or fats are the mortar. When the mortar breaks down, water leaks out, and irritants leak in. Niacinamide helps support the barrier by improving lipid balance. It reduces water loss. This is why it's great if your skin is dry, sensitive, overexfoliated, or you're using retinoids, or you're reactive in winter. It's not flashy, it's foundational. Let's talk about its calming effect and redness support. Niacinamide has anti-inflammatory properties, and that's why it shows up in products for redness, acne-prone skin, sensitive skin, and rosacea-prone skin. It doesn't cure rosacea, but it helps calm the environment. I'll call it the calm friend ingredient. Let's talk about oil control and acne support. Niacinamide can help regulate oil production and improve the appearance of enlarged pores. Pores don't actually shrink, but when oil is better controlled, they look less obvious. This is why niacinamide pairs so well with benzoyl peroxide, adapalene, and salicylic acid. It supports the barrier while the stronger actives do their job. Now, pigment and uneven tone. One of the most helpful benefits is that niacinamide can reduce the transfer of pigment from melanocytes to your skin cells. In simple terms, less pigment gets delivered to the surface over time. That's why it helps with post-acne dark marks, uneven tone, and dullness. It's a slow, steady improvement, not an overnight bleach. Now let's talk about anti-aging support. Niacinamide helps support collagen integrity, oxidative stress defense, and overall skin resilience. That's why it's in so many anti-aging formulas. It doesn't replace retinoids, but it helps your skin tolerate them better. Now, oral nicotinamide and skin cancer prevention. Now, this is where things get really interesting. A landmark study published in the New England Journal of Medicine looked at high-risk patients, people with a history of basal cell or squamous cell skin cancer. All the subjects took 500 milligrams of nicotinamide twice daily for 12 months, and they had fewer non-melanoma skin cancers, fewer precancers, actinic keratosis, while they were taking it than the control group. The important detail is the benefit stopped when they stopped taking it. Think of this like sunscreen. It works while you're using it. Now, how does it help? UV light damages DNA and suppresses immune surveillance in the skin. Nicotinamide helps support cellular energy and repair, so the skin cells can better handle UV damage. It does not replace sunscreen. It's an additional layer of protection for certain high-risk patients, and I do recommend that for my high-risk patients. It's not for everyone, but this is a discussion to have with your dermatology provider. Now, why is it in so many products? Brands love niacinamide because it's stable, water-soluble, easy to formulate, and compatible with many ingredients. And one ingredient can truthfully support barrier repair, calming, acne support, brightening, and anti-aging. I like to say niacinamide is the black leggings of skincare. It goes with everything. Now here's a quick note before I share a few examples. Some of the product links below may be Amazon affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission if you click on those links, but there's no additional cost to you. It does help keep me being able to make these videos. So I'm only sharing these examples that I believe would be helpful. Always choose what's best for your skin and your budget. For sensitive or barrier impaired skin, a great example for this would be CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. It combines niacinamide with ceramides and cholesterol. And this is a support product, not a correction product. Think maintenance, not drama. Now for oily or acne-prone skin, I would say La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair is a great lotion. It's a good lightweight option. It hydrates without heaviness and plays well with acne treatments. And this is what I reach for when someone says everything breaks me out. Now for uneven tone or dark marks, The Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. This is a higher strength and better for oilier skin types. Higher is not always better, so if your skin stings or flushes, this may be too much. For anti-aging and simplicity, Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream uses niacinamides with peptides. This is a good option for someone who wants one step instead of 5. Now here's an important distinction. Topical niacinamide products are not the same thing as oral nicotinamide. The skin cancer studies used 500 milligrams twice daily by mouth in high-risk patients. You can get that much niacinamide in HelioCare advanced pills. HelioCare is made in Spain from a South American fern plant, and it does mop up the free radicals that are created when the sun hits your skin. They add nicotinamide to that HelioCare complex. So you can take 2 pills twice a day if you want to get the niacinamide with that extra protection. But just discuss it with your healthcare professional. And that's a medical decision, not a skincare product decision. So now you know why niacinamide is everywhere. And if you want to learn more about skincare after 40, you'll want to click this video next. Niacinamide supports the barrier. It calms inflammation. It helps with oil and tone and supports aging skin. And in oral form, it has evidence for reducing some certain skin cancers while you're taking it. And if this was helpful, make sure you're subscribed. And let me know in the comments if you want a follow-up video on other skincare ingredients. And I'll see you in the next one.